Okay, another yucky one. The big thing is we don't like, what don't we like? We don't like variables in the denominator. So let's rectify that problem right now. I'm going to multiply this whole fraction by x over x. I hope you think that's okay because, again, that's 1. I'm not really changing the problem I'm working with, so that's a perfectly legal move. I'm going to put parentheses around here because, as I always emphasize, when you have a fraction, you got to think of everything protected in parentheses. And then I'm going to use the distributor property on each part to multiply that out. And hopefully you see where I'm going with this. X times 1 over x, the x's are going to cross cancel to give me just 1. I'm going to get rid of the x in the denominator position. X times 3 over x, the x's will cancel out. Again, getting rid of the denominator. So let's do that. Yeah, oops, wrong thing. X times 6 gives me 6x. Then we've got x times 1 over x. Let's write that out just to make sure we're on the same page. 1 over x times x, that's the same thing as 1 over x times x over 1. And that gives you x over x, which is just 1. So over here, I'm going to say plus 1 when I do this distribution. Okay, same thing down bottom. 7 times x gives us 7x. X times negative 3 over x. It's the same type of stuff up here. You could write it out if you want, but x times negative 3 over x is going to give you negative 3 because we cut the legs out of the bottom of that fraction. So that's a little more clear. I'd say that's simplified. This is more complicated than this. This is as far as you can go. I'm not seeing anything else. You can't factor anything else out of the top or the bottom to help you simplify. Long division is not going to tell you anything different. This is the simplified version.